Okay, maybe one more example, and I'll show you also an enhanced for loop. It's something else. It's faster to write this kind of loop. It's for loop, but it's we can faster write it down. And I'll show you how to achieve this and how easily iterate by elements of an array. Okay, first of all, let's prepare a Boolean table. Booleans, new Boolean, let's say size 5. Okay, and now let's print out the values from that Boolean table using enhance for. We start enhance for as general for loop with for keyword, and now we need to provide a temporal variable, but the type has to be the same as an element inside our array. So for us it's a boolean, right? So let's prepare that temporal variable boolean element. Okay, and each element from boolean table will be assigned to element, and then all actions will be operate on that element. So then we need to put a colon and our source, right? So for us, source is of course booleans table, curly brackets, and let's print it out element, right? So first of all will be printed out element under index 0, then 1, and so on. So that's easy. Let's check this out. Okay, as you see, it works fine. Maybe I put here some separation. Booleans, and okay, and what's more, you see default value for boolean, it's false in array, so it's by default. We can change it, of course, and let's say booleans index 0, it's true, and let's say we want to change for 3 and only 1, and let's check this out. Okay, for 0, 1, and 3 we've got true value, for rest it's false. So that's cool.